Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your overheating while charging on the iPad Air 2026 during tasks. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and turn off the background app refresh. So if you are doing this during tasks, then basically if your iPad is heating up, we want to open up settings, and first we're going to go to general, now background app refresh, and make sure that this setting is off. So for me it is off right now because I am in the low power mode, but still, if it's not off for you, then you want to make sure that it is from now on. After that, what you guys want to do is close any background apps, so you can close them, let's say here. And if you are really heavy on doing tasks, then make sure to avoid charging your tablet. So just make sure that it charges, then you can do the tasks and then charge it again. Because if you are using the tablet for some heavy tasks, then of course it will heat up. And even if you take your case and the heat dissipation improves, it will not change the fact that your tablet will simply be hot. So if you got a case, then remove it, see if that makes any difference, but it won't if you are heavy on doing stuff on your iPad. So as a last resort, what you guys can do is simply go over into the settings and then go to general and go to software update. Make sure you're on the latest version, so the newest version is 26.3.1, not including the beta updates. And if you're not on this version, and just like me, make sure to click update now or update tonight, so whenever you're sleeping, the iPad will simply adjust to the latest version and you will get rid of any old glitches on it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.